In this video, we're gonna do the pros and cons of living in Provenza. You're gonna wanna stay until the end because we're gonna do a walkthrough of one of the apartments in one of the iconic buildings in this area. The first pro is the obvious, the location. If you've been to Medellin, even if you've just visited, you know that Provenza is the place to be. As you can see, there's little cafes, restaurants, all the nightlife is just one street down from here. So living in this area gives you access to all of that all of the time. And even though we're just a couple of blocks from the nightlife, look how quiet it is here. This is a dead-end street, so there's not a lot of traffic, which is great. Another big pro for me in this neighborhood is all of the greenery. Look at all this nature. It's beautiful. It's amazingly green. You've got squirrels, birds. You've got all of the nature that Medellin has to offer, but you're in the hottest spot in the city. Another pro is the fact that this is an Estrato 6 neighborhood, which is the highest income level. So you get beautiful modern buildings like the one behind. A lot of them do have amenities like pools, saunas, gyms, etc. So many of them are newer, and you can tell they look beautiful. Another pro is appreciation. Since this is a very sought after neighborhood, these properties go up in value a lot. Just in the last 5 years, they've doubled their price, sometimes even tripled. But as you can tell, it's because of the location and because they are newer buildings. Many of the older buildings, the apartments will have been remodeled. If you find a hidden gem where an apartment needs to be remodeled and you get it at a great price, that's gonna automatically make it go up in value. Another huge pro for a lot of investors is the rentability. Since we are in the city's hotspot, the occupancy rate on these is super high. We're talking about normal occupancy without having to do a lot of marketing behind it of 70%. But if you do marketing, for example, the apartments that I own, we have about a 90% occupancy rate because we manage them ourselves. So rentability in these type of areas is super high. And the last pro is lifestyle. If you love living in a quiet area that's near all of the trendy cafes, restaurants, nightclubs, but want to be far enough where you don't hear any of that. As you can see, the only thing you hear here is the birds and the creek. There's a creek on this side. Then this is the place for you. We're coming up on the apartment that we're gonna do the walkthrough on. I'm gonna send it back to Franco so he could do that walkthrough, and then I'll go over the cons.
Thank you, Andrew. And okay, let's walk into this amazing duplex apartment that has 134.5 square meters of space. In this building, the apartment is on level 7, so you have the floors of level 7 and 8. With this duplex, there's the balcony that looks into this amazing view of just pure greenery. As Andrew was saying, you get a lot of privacy with this apartment or in this building, a lot of trees and nature and the creek just nearby. You have the half bathroom here on the first level, and what I love about this apartment is just all of the plants that this owner has. If I had this apartment, that's probably what my apartment would look like with all of these plants laying around. So we're gonna walk up to the second level here, and this apartment, as I said, it has 134.5 square meters of space with 2 bedrooms, each room having their own private bathroom. As we walk into the guest bedroom here, the kitchen is a modern open kitchen. You saw the private balcony with green and stream views. It's beautifully designed duplex that offers a rare combination of nature, privacy, and modern living in the heart of Provenza. And we'll show you right here on the map exactly where it's located after the end of this walkthrough video. All right, so let's check out the listing for this property. If you guys do want to check out our website, then go to medellinlivingrealestate.com. There you'll have all of the information on this property. So let's scroll down to the map section to show you, and you'll see here on the indicator, let me just kind of push up just a little bit here. So the indicator's right here. This is where the apartments generally in that area. You have all of Provenza, the nightlife over here on my cursor, but I have everything marked out here in Google Maps to show you more clearly. So looking at the map here, the red area that you see, this is Provenza. That's where all the restaurants, the nightclubs, the cafes are, right? Where everyone goes to on the weekends, right? I'll zoom in just a little bit. The brown area within the red area is where the apartment's located generally in this area. That's where the building's at. So as you can even see right there, you're just walking distance. You even saw Andrew walking. It's just an easy walk going downhill. Yes, maybe just a little bit uphill, but nothing too crazy. And you're right there, right next door to all of the nightlife of Provenza. If you know Provenza and you know El Poblado, you kind of already know what's around the areas of Provenza. Marked out here, I have in green, this green line, that's Calle 10, the main road that goes from the metro station of El Poblado that I have marked right here in this green box, going up into the hills of El Poblado, going up to Provenza, Parquilleras. And then lastly, what I wanted to show you is just how far you are away from El Tesoro shopping mall, which I have marked out here in blue. That's about like a 15-minute drive from your building if you were to buy this property. All right, so there you have it. There's the overview of Provenza neighborhood. Now let's go back to Andrew so he can cover the cons of Provenza.
All right, thank you, Franco. That's a beautiful apartment. Let's talk about the cons. Con number one is the fact that it is hilly over here. No matter where you are in this area, you're going to have to tackle some hills if you are going to walk. So if you like to walk everywhere, this could be an inconvenience if you're not in okay shape. Another con is accessibility. As you can see, we're on a street that goes two ways, but it basically dead ends over there. There's only one way in and one way out, which means that getting in and out of here can be pretty difficult, especially during rush hour. And that brings me to con number three, which is traffic. Traffic in these areas where there are no main roads or what they call arteries out here, it gets pretty bad during rush hour. For example, there won't be a lot of traffic in this street right here because it's a dead-end street. It's only residents coming in and out. But in the streets adjacent to it, to get here, it can be pretty bad, especially during rush hour. Another big con is the cost. Since we are in Provenza, it is the hottest spot in Medellin. You're gonna pay for that. We're talking about something that's used and maybe needs remodeling, about 10 million per square meter at times, which is pretty high considering that 10 million is a high cost for other neighborhoods for something newer or remodeled. Since we are in an Estrato 6, your utilities and property taxes are going to be more expensive than anybody else's in lower estratos. So yeah, I would consider this one of the most expensive neighborhoods to live in the entire city. Many people will think that the noise is a con, but as you can see, it's pretty quiet here, even though we're just a couple of blocks from Provenza. So I wouldn't consider that a con. I mean, you pay for that, right? You pay for being near it, but you also pay for it to be quiet like it is right here. All you can hear are just basically the cars coming up and down, but if you're in your apartment, you don't hear this. So those are the biggest cons: traffic, accessibility, and of course the price. So I think that the pros heavily outweigh the cons, especially if you have the budget to either rent out here or to buy a property out here. And if you are ready to buy a property, or maybe you just want to work with us on finding something different, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible. Let me know in the comments what you think. See you on the next video.